What's up, YouTube? I'm coming to you with a little different video today. As most of you guys that are subscribers to my channel know, most of our content at All Three Pools and ICF Guru is, it's all construction based obviously, but it's on high-end homes, ICF construction, and obviously ICF pools, DIY pools, all the way up to super high-end crazy stuff. That is our bread and butter, and that's where we'll continue to focus. However, when we started this channel about 4 years ago, my wife is from Wuhan, China. She had gotten stranded during COVID for a few months. She had nothing to do. She was bored, and she was. We were building a super fancy house at the time, super fancy house with a pool. And she's like, "Why aren't you doing YouTube?" And my answer was time. She started editing my videos for me, sitting over there. A few of them took off, and we got very centralized around ICF, insulated concrete forms. And that's really one of our passions, is promoting that amazing technology. However, I'm a maker at heart. I don't play a lot of golf, go out with my dad every once in a while. I think one of the best things for the soul is to build things with your hands, make things. On the weekend, have a hobby, have something, but I love making things. I know a lot of you guys do too. And so I buy plans. Anytime I see a set of plans for something on the internet that I like, a boat, you know, campers, buildings, whatever, I buy plans, I collect them for someday when I have time to build them. And usually I never get around to it. I'm busy. Lord knows when we started All Three Pools, we got real busy. That said, about a year and a half ago, I bought a set of plans for a Teardrop camper, kind of fantasizing about having the free time to go camping once in a while. My wife loves to camp, hates tents. So I kind of thought this might be a great solution that she could even pull with her little mid-size SUV. And I bought a set of plans on the internet, and the plans were so good, they actually inspired All Three Pools, because I looked at them and I'm like, my kits, my ICF pool kits need to be better. The plans need to be better. And me and Eric, we put him in the basement for like 2 months, and I, stream of consciousness, just, you know, blurted out everything I knew about building pools, and he put it into this beautiful 110, 120 page guide to how to build these pools. And it was basically inspired by the plans for this. It's a 110 page set of plans for this. It is a Vega Teardrop camper. I think it's turned out amazing. And I'm going to launch an entire series of videos starting next week on how we built this thing. From the frame, from welding the frame from scratch, to all the carpentry, which was kind of my bread and butter, my background, to the ACM. I did a lot of upgrades to this thing. I did fancier tires and wheels than it called for, fancier axle. I used ACM on the walls of the pool, of the camper, because I had some left over from a multi-million-dollar house. It's not something you would normally do, but it is straight as a string, no oil canning. Very different than most campers you see with the wavy metal. But yeah, guys, it turned out so good. On the inside, you're gonna end up seeing that I've used walnut on the inside. Again, left over from all my high-end builds. Almost everybody uses birch. I think walnut's such a beautiful domestic hardwood, really warm, rich tones. So I'm gonna bring you guys into this entire build over the next 6 to 8 weeks, probably have about 8 videos from, like I said, from the frame all the way to surprising my wife with it. She doesn't even know this thing exists. I've already been to the highway patrol and gotten tags and a VIN card. So it's ready for the road. I finally got, I've got probably 75, 80 hours in it. If I had a CNC programmed and knowing everything I know now, I could probably cut that build time in half, but I took my time. Trailer wiring was something I did not have a ton of experience with, so I went a little fancy on all the lights and stuff, so it took me a little bit longer than it would again if I had it to do over again. But guys, like I said, I believe building things is just so good for you, and I think this is a super doable project for anybody with any skills with their hands. So if this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to our channel. We are always trying to grow the channel, and we've got a few really cool collabs coming up later in the year. But in the meantime, stay tuned to this one, guys. I will see you next week with the frame build.